Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll explain how to change your house in Heartopia. And here's the key thing to know right away. You don't actually switch houses, you rebuild them. Once you reach DG level 8, you unlock a very important feature called blueprints. This is what allows you to safely redesign your house without losing your progress. And before changing anything, you want to open your phone, scroll down, and tap on the Blueprints tab. From there, save your current house by importing it into an empty blueprint slot. This acts as a backup, so if you accidentally delete something like a roof or wall, you can instantly restore your original house. Next, you want to enter build mode. From here, you can use the overhead camera or the advanced build mode to view your entire house and the floor slider to move between levels. From here, you can remove walls, floors, and roofs. You can even change the layout, completely redesign your home. This is how players quote unquote change their house in Heartopia by rebuilding it. You can redesign rooms, add extra floors, customize walls and windows, and even create custom furniture using walls, floors, and columns. If anything goes wrong, just reload your saved blueprint. A great tip is to keep one safe version and one experimental version so you can switch between designs anytime. So remember, in Heartopia, changing your house means rebuilding it. Use blueprints, experiment freely, and don't be afraid to get creative. That's about it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!